Hope doesn't always disappear all at once. Sometimes it gets interrupted. Jairus was a father, a leader in the synagogue, a man used to being composed. But that day, dignity didn't matter anymore. His daughter was dying. So he did something risky, something desperate. He went to Jesus and fell at his feet. "Please," he said, "come. My little girl is dying." Jesus agreed and started walking with him. Hope was moving, but then everything slowed down. In the middle of the crowd, Jesus stopped. Someone had touched him. Someone needed healing. Someone else's story suddenly took priority. Imagine Jairus standing there, watching time slip, watching hope wait. And then the worst news arrived. Messengers came from his house and said the words, "No parent ever wants to hear, your daughter is dead. Don't bother the teacher anymore." That's how interruptions feel, like it's over before it ever had a chance. But Jesus looked at Jairus and said something simple and dangerous. "Don't be afraid. Just believe. Not everything will be okay. Not this will make sense. Just believe." They kept walking. At the house, there was noise, mourning, finality, people who had already accepted the ending. Jesus stepped inside and said, "She is not dead, but sleeping." They laughed. But he took the girl by the hand and spoke life where silence had settled, and she rose. Jairus' story reminds us, delays are not denials. Bad news is not the final word. And hope doesn't die just because it gets interrupted. Sometimes faith isn't loud confidence. It's choosing to keep walking. After the news you never wanted,